Too bad you guys don't understand that because they say a lot of Puerto Ricans don't speak Spanish in New York, brother. So you guys can stick it, brother. It's true, brother. You know something, man? You guys are waving your flags, brother. But you know what? You guys don't even know how to say, "Como estás," brother. So let me do something, brother. If anybody here, any one of these fans have a problem, you guys can stick it. If anybody in the back has a problem, Subway Mania Kane! Oh my god! Yo, what the fuck? Yo! Yo! I'm surprised you didn't get so fast. What the fuck is going on? Yo, brother, this is real Kane! What's the real Kane? Just a horrible team. You weren't supposed to actually be a demon. What are you, Puerto Rican? You got a problem with that? I thought you was from Honduras, brother. Oh, hey! Come on, oh my God!